Charles Manson, 36, chose a house at random, tied up the family at gunpoint, then ordered his followers to go inside and commit ritual slaughter.
I'm not against you, huh?
Are you bitter?
Bitter? No.